every state and every city. We will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last. I have a dream. 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 I have a dream.
Sleeping to ease the pain, dreaming to make a change, praying that hope is came, like Martin Luther King, running from what is real, speaking like haters feel, up in the haters grill, making a fucking deal, thinking you're running shit, walking your tongue and shit, look what it done and shit, some niggas dumb and shit, bringing the magnet, aiming at black skins, bringing the crack in, getting shit cracked, victims of really lit, hanging your common sense, trapping the tractor big, wide open like a bitch, numbers and fingerprints, it's all a fucking trick, now you a label myth, it's like you don't exist, locked down inside a fence, thought of but never missed, family ain't writing shit, hell of a consequence, hurting from what is real, not knowing how to feel, it's like you made a deal, with only time to tell.
I have a dream. 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 I have a dream.
What is it you believe? Real is the truth in me. Chasing shit biblically. Fighting with who I be. Black ain't my enemy. It's what got into me. Genetic memories of fucking slavery. Ain't shit to go to jail and chill inside a cell. Reading each other's mail. Eating with niggas real. Learning the facts of life from niggas doing life. Dying for more advice. Nobody fucking right. No dad to tell you right. Out of mind, out of sight. That's a hell of a fight. Regretting who you like. Only 20 a month. Working with prison lungs. Stomachs is barely touched. Niggas like hook me up. Faces look broken up. Feelings is being crushed. Breathing in different stuff. Nobody gives a fuck. Been solo from the dust. Realizing I'm enough. Replacing who they was. But I don't give a fuck.